Hey, Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you today. We're going to do a bone-in turkey breast and 2 boneless turkey breasts. And I'm gonna do them 2 different ways. One, I'm going to put in a brine and let it brine overnight and bring it out. I'm gonna do it plain with nothing but Uncle Steve's shake, competition bird shake. Oh my goodness. If you want a turkey, you can do one just like that and people will rave, all right? One of the boneless, I'm gonna do completely different. I'm going to take that boneless turkey breast and I'm gonna use Uncle Steve's shake. This is gonna be South Texas Red to give it a little kick. Also, when it gets time, I'm gonna glaze it with a honey Sriracha glaze. Oh my goodness, this is so good, you won't believe, and so easy. So stick around, we're gonna show you how to do it, and hang tight. All right, what I've got here, I've got 2 about 3-pound boneless turkey breast. This is about a 6-pound bone-in turkey breast. I'm gonna take and I'm just cutting this backbone out of it. Perfect for anything you'd want to do, stock, whatever. I'm gonna take and turn it over and push down right there. You heard it break. That'll open it up. All right, let's season them. All right, 2 of these I'm gonna do with Uncle Steve's bird shake, okay? So let's get the bird shake on it pretty well. And I'm gonna cover this big one with the bird shake. Now, this big one, I brined overnight in salt and sugar and a few aromatics. You use whatever you want to in your brine. I can smell this already, and I definitely got a color change in it. So, all right. Now, one of these, I want a little kick to it. So this one, I'm gonna do with another Uncle Steve shake. This is South Texas Red, all right? So I'm gonna put South Texas Red all over this one. And before I get them on the smoker, I am definitely gonna make sure that I have covered all sides of this. So when I go over to the smoker, I'll bring you back. All right, we've got our smoker up to temp. Here's our bone in. Let's get these other 2 in. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna take and stick in the fat part of these breasts. Let's see. All right, there's one. Got one there, and I'm gonna go all the way on the other side this one. That's the boneless. Close him up. All right, I'm expecting this to take about 2 hours to cook. So I'll come back in about an hour and check it out. When I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, an hour in, let's see what we're looking like. Well, we're getting a little color. Yep. See where we are temp wise, 125. That side 121. All right. We're gonna let it run a little longer. That's an hour in. We may take the smaller one off in just a little bit, but when we do, we'll bring you back. All right, we're about the 1:15 mark or so. While I'm out here with it, let's do a little butter over the top. This bark is set pretty good. I don't want it to dry out. So let's just take, this is about a half a stick of butter that I melted. I'm just gonna put this over the top. Okay. About an hour and a half in, as this one was going up. There. So the small one is done. We're gonna take him off. That's the one I want to take. This is honey and sriracha. We're gonna take and we're gonna spread this over the top. All right. So on that one. That one's 145. It's gonna have a way to go. So I'm gonna take the little one off. There we go. Going to put him in there. We're gonna let this one that we've glazed up. I can't get enough glaze on this one. We're gonna let all this glaze set. And we'll bring you back. Okay, 2 hours in. And look at this pretty thing. All right, we're up to temp on it. This is the second boneless. All right, take him off. We're gonna wrap him up, let him rest, and keep going on the last one. Okay, well, Pitball says the big breast is up to temp. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, 168, 171. All right. So let's pull this out. This. Take him off. Put him over on the table over here. We're gonna come back. We're gonna slice it. And we're gonna try it. All right. Well, we let this rest about 20 minutes. Oh my goodness. She's still pretty warm. Well, we're gonna take slicing knife And we're gonna cut into this turkey. Let's see what we got. Isn't that pretty? Look at the smoke. Look at that. Just as juicy. There you go. All right. Let's take. I'm gonna take a piece of this and I'm going in. Oh my goodness. Good turkey. Now this is the one we seasoned with the Uncle Steve bird shake. Let's move this one over. And let's try the one we did with the Sriracha honey. Let's carve him down and see how he looks. Oh my goodness. I can see the smoke. He's just as juicy. All right, let's try a bite of this one. I already know this is gonna be my favorite. All right, this is South Texas Red Honey Sriracha glazed. Oh my goodness. Oh. Delicious. The bird shake, turkey breast, delicious. The South Texas Red with the honey sriracha glaze over the top, out of the park. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Hey, listen, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, you won't miss a thing. I'll have another video just for you right here. Neither will cost you a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight.